Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, I got this viral video that captured the moment a man stormed a church with his dogs in order to caution the church over noise pollution. Yes, this happened in Ghana. From the video, it appears that over time this man may have been disturbed by the noise from the church, and this time he said he wasn't going to bear it anymore, that he took his dogs to the church to warn them over the noise pollution. Okay guys, I'm going to allow you to watch the full video, which I'm going to play now. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Please share this video and please subscribe to my channel.
What do you want to go with it?